Today we're in my cabinet shop, and so we have a ratchet wrench that is really come in handy all the time here because we do a lot of small stuff. It comes with 2 batteries, charger, and the instructions, and we use it to put stuff together here in the shop. It's really handy, and it also has a nice case with it. So this ratchet wrench is a perfect, ideal small. See how small it is, really lightweight, to put stuff like this together in your shop, at your house. It really comes really handy. And to go reverse, you just move it here, and that's where the reverse and forward goes. And it also has a lock.